do I sell? If that is how you feel, make sure you stay tuned, because in this video, I'm gonna be diving into 10 products that have potential to sell on Black Friday. But more importantly, I'm gonna be showing you a strategy that's going to allow you to figure out if your product has potential of selling on Black Friday. So let's jump into it. So today we're diving into 10 products that have a ton of potential to sell this Black Friday, and I picked these products based off of a couple of different things. The first reason is because the interest peaked during Black Friday of last year, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can figure that out using Google Trends. The second is because these products are already trending and they have a sense of perceived value. So we know that people are already buying these products, and because they peaked last year, 2017 Black Friday, we can expect them to do the same this year, because often history repeats itself. So let's jump on my computer and get this video started. So I did handpick these 10 products. I haven't tested any of these products myself. I'm just going off of the research from last year on Black Friday, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to use Google Trends in a second, but I do want to touch on one thing really quickly. So if you do decide to move forward with these products, make sure that you set up the ads for them a few days in advance, and we are coming so close to Black Friday. We're less than 2 weeks away, and so if you are serious about selling on Black Friday, you need to set up your ads prior, and you need to make sure that the product is a winning product before you start to really scale it and start to throw a lot of money into it on Black Friday, because I don't want to see you guys losing any money, especially not on Black Friday. There is a ton of money to be made and a ton of potential for you to make a bunch of sales, but you have to set this stuff up right now. On Tuesday, I did a video on a couple of tips that you can use to make sales on Black Friday, so make sure that you check out that video. Make sure that you're following those guidelines. I went into a bunch of apps that can help you out during your holiday season, and I just want to make sure that you guys understand that you do have to test these products. These aren't guaranteed winners, but they do have potential to make a lot of sales. So let's jump into it. These aren't in any specific order. I just pulled up a bunch of products, did a little bit of research on them, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what I did and what some of these products are that I think are going to do crazy sales this year on Black Friday. So the first product is a gaming mouse. So we know that the gaming niche is always going to be super profitable, especially during the holidays, and on Black Friday a lot of people are searching for electronics, so it's a really good niche to be in. You can see here that this is selling for $6.75 on AliExpress, and you could easily sell this product from anywhere from $29.99 to $49.99, and then of course you're going to be running some type of deal or discount with that, so make sure you are adjusting your margins for Black Friday. We can see here that it has 4.9 stars and over 11,000 orders. So a ton of people have purchased this product, and one of the main things we're going to be focusing on this video is the spike in interest on Black Friday of 2017, because often the things that sold last year will be selling like crazy again this year. So we're just going to copy gaming mouse from this product, and then we're going to jump onto Google Trends. And I've talked about this website before. You should be using it all the time, but it's really good to be using, especially during the holiday season and during Black Friday and Q4 and all those things, because we can view the interest level of a current product over any period of time. And so we're just going to enter in gaming mouse here, and so up at the top of Google Trends we see a couple of different things. So we see the area that we're searching in, we see the time period, the category, and then the web search. So we're just going to be focusing on these first two. So right now we're just going to stick with the United States, but you can change the area that you are targeting based off of the locations that you're going to be targeting for your specific products. So we're going to stay with the United States, and then instead of the past 12 months, we're actually going to do a custom time range, and we are just going to be searching for Black Friday of last year. So we're going to do from 11/15 of 2017 to 12/15 of 2017. So last year Black Friday fell on November 24th, and you can see here with Google Trends that there was a huge spike of interest on November 24th for gaming mouse, so we can assume that there were a lot of sales for this product being made. And you do want to make sure that there is, a pretty good range throughout, but what we're really looking for is a large spike in interest last year during Black Friday. So that is our first product. The next product we're gonna take a quick look at is this wireless charger. I've been seeing a lot of people running ads for these. They're super popular. You can see here that this one has over 19,000 orders, again with a 4.7 star review. And basically all it does is it charges your phone without actually having it plugged in. So this is a really cool product. And then if we come back over to Google Trends and we type in wireless charger, over this time period, again, we see that spike in 2017 in interest. It's all the way up at 100. And you can see that the actual graph is really stable. And then again, there's a large peak in interest on Black Friday of last year. So again, I think that this product has really great potential for this year. It's one that's been trending, and I think that a lot of people are going to be buying it this Black Friday. So the next product that we're gonna take a look at is this 18-piece makeup brush set. And I can tell you right now that as a girl, makeup brushes are super overpriced. If you go to Sephora or you go to any type of store, you spend a fortune to get good makeup brushes. And so I think this is a really good product for the holiday season. A ton of people are gonna be buying it, and I think the price is right for this. So you can see right now that if we click on one of these colors, that these sets are selling for just under $5. They have over 20,000 orders, and again, 5 stars. So this type of product is perfect, especially if you get the right influencer to market this product or you're running ads on it correctly. They come in all different types of colors, and maybe you could offer some type of free gift with a purchase or something like that for Black Friday. You know, get creative with the deals and specials that you're running. And then again, if we take the name of this product and we come back over to Google Trends and switch this out, we're again gonna see that huge spike in interest for makeup brushes on Black Friday. So a lot of people were buying this type of product last year, and so we can expect it to be profitable again this year. Our next product is an essential oil diffuser. These are always selling. They're great for any type of person that's interested in yoga, meditation, health, and wellness. And this one actually has LED lights for the office or home, so it changes colors. And again, it has a ton of orders with really high reviews. And something that's really important that we're looking for when we're trying to pick out products for our store is this perceived value. So something like this looks extremely expensive. It's bamboo. It has like color changing lights. There's a remote control. The images that AliExpress provided are super high quality. So I could easily see a product like this selling for $49.99. And the thing is it's not that expensive, right? So we still have a really good profit margin. We have money to spend on ads where we're still profiting on this specific product. So that's always something you want to keep in mind when you are picking out your products. So again, if we take the name of the product, we come back over to Google Trends and we search for essential oil diffuser, we see this huge spike on Black Friday and Cyber Monday as well. And this overall is just a really good product. It has a lot of interest throughout the entire week. And right now we are searching for a very small period of time. So if you are doing this on your own, I would recommend, you know, expanding the search a little bit further than just the week of Black Friday. Make sure that the search has a steady amount of interest throughout the year as well. Like, you don't want to find a product that's totally dead and then, you know, it only spikes on Black Friday. You want something that is going to be a good product overall that people are always interested in, and then when Black Friday comes along, you can run some type of deal or special for it that's going to really push your sales even higher than it would be throughout the entire year. So I really like this product. I think it's going to do really well. It's a great gift, and I think a lot of people are going to be buying it. This next one that we are going to take a look at could be a really, really profitable product, especially if you set up the advertising correctly and you get some type of like really cool video ad for it. So basically all it is a mini home projector. So you can take Netflix and you can project it up on the wall. And I think that if someone was selling this product and they could get a little video of how it actually works and showing their favorite TV shows up projected on the wall like a big movie screen, that this product would kill it on Black Friday. So you can see here it is a little bit higher price of a product, but you are going to be able to sell it for much more, and it meets all of the criteria that we're looking for when we're picking products. So it has perceived value, there's great images of it, it has really good reviews, and then it also has a bunch of orders. So we'll just grab the name, and like we've been doing before, we'll take it back over to Google Trends. So again, you see this huge spike for Black Friday, and it looks like an even larger spike for Cyber Monday of last year. So make sure that you keep that in mind. You know, we aren't just gonna be advertising for Black Friday, we're also getting all of our stuff ready for Cyber Monday as well. This next product that we are taking a look at is these LED string fairy lights. And I know some people that sold this last year during Q4 and they did crazy numbers, and it's expected to do the same this year. So I think this is a really good product. Again, we see a ton of orders, we see a ton of 5-star reviews, and then we also see that it perceives a lot of value. You can do all of these DIY crafts with it. So maybe for your advertising, you could show how to do one of these DIY crafts. And I think that would be the best way to go about it, is to actually show people how they can use these lights. Because when we are doing our advertising, you know, I think one of the most profitable ways of, you know, making sales is to do video ads that make people feel something. So Christmas is coming around, people are gonna be doing all types of crafts around the house, and these just look amazing. I mean, I seriously wanna do this little wine glass thing. They have like these, I don't even know what those are, but they're definitely very Christmassy. And we can see that this product is literally dirt cheap. Like, it's selling from between $1 and $3. So super cheap. You can easily mark these up and make a ton of money with this specific product. So again, like we've been seeing before with the fairy lights, we see a big spike in interest right around Black Friday and Cyber Monday. So if you have a store that's kind of related to the fairy lights, or like any type of arts and crafts store, I think this is a product that you definitely should jump on. This next product we are taking a quick look at is winter children's baby boots. So these sold like crazy last year. Obviously, we're getting into the colder season, so people are gonna start to buy boots. They're gonna start to buy hats and scarves and coats, and they're especially gonna be buying for their children always. And so this product is super cute. They're just like these little knockoff UGG boots, and they're selling for a little over $2. And I really think that you could sell this product anywhere from $19.99 to $29.99, depending on your advertising and your branding. And we can see, again, this has a ton of orders, really good reviews. They look like little fluffy knockoff Uggs. They've got this cute little bow at the back. We can again see that there is a spike right around Black Friday. And again, you know, anything that is really winter related is going to sell well during Q4. This next product is super cool. So it is a Bluetooth smartwatch. So these have been blowing up lately. It's basically just a knockoff version of the Apple Watch. And you can see here, again, it has a ton of orders, great reviews. It has perceived value. It's got this really slick band. And again, it looks expensive. So it doesn't look like something you could buy from China for a little over $10. And we could very easily sell this product for over $50. So this is definitely one that you want to keep your eyes on. And when we do search it in Google Trends, again, we see that huge spike on Black Friday of last year. We see a pretty stable interest level throughout that entire week. And so a lot of people were interested in this product last year, and I know this is still a trend that is still blowing up. Everybody still wants their smartwatch. I have an Apple Watch, and this is just a knockoff version that you can get for $10 from China. So it's definitely worth a try if you are in that type of niche. And then our last and final product that we're gonna be looking at are these wireless Bluetooth earphones. So these are basically just a knockoff version of the earpods, and these are selling for under $10. They make them in a ton of different colors. They also come with a charger. So this is definitely a product that I think has a ton of potential to do well on Black Friday this year. It's got a decent amount of orders, it's got good reviews, and more importantly, it has this perceived value. So again, this is a product that we could very easily mark up and have a huge profit margin with. So for the last time today, we're gonna go back on to Google Trends and we're going to check out the interest level of this product. So this is exactly what we're looking for. Again, we see a huge spike in interest for Black Friday and also for Cyber Monday. So keep these products in mind for Cyber Monday as well. So that is it, guys. Those are the 10 products that I think are going to kick butt this Black Friday. I really hope that you found some value in this video. Make sure you are using Google Trends to your advantage. It is such a powerful tool, and make sure that you are implementing these things. I know that a lot of you have stores, and I know that a lot of you are looking to start your store, and I'm telling you, this is the perfect time to start. Black Friday is less than 2 weeks away, and so if you do plan to sell on Black Friday, make sure that you check out that video about the tips on how to sell on Black Friday. I'm going to leave that down in the description below. I'm also going to be leaving a link for the Entrepreneur Uprising Facebook group that I just started, so make sure that you join that. I want to be able to connect with you guys a lot easier than just through YouTube, so jump on Facebook, join the group, jump on my Instagram, follow me there. I post daily stories where I'm talking about what's going on in my life, so if you're wondering who's behind the camera, then that is a really good place to figure that out. And I hope you guys liked this video. As always, if you did, make sure that you give me a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button down in the corner. I put out new videos every single Tuesday and Thursday, and I will see you guys next week.